Hi, this is John with WTI, and I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. Those are the words that I can say about this thermos bottle. That it keeps you insulated 18 hours when it comes to heat, or a lot of time. I don't count the hours, obviously, but what I like the most about this is that I'm an avid coffee drinker, tea drinker, so I need this all the time. If I want to keep my coffee hot and ready, my tea hot and ready for any circumstances or any situation, this thermos is just great for the idea. So it's durable, as you can see, well constructed, slim built. So it's not going to be too chunky on your backpack or anywhere that you want to carry this around. And it's just leak proof, so you can move it into different places and it's not going to leak your coffee or your tea, and it even can hold better for cold beverage and drinks. So if you're looking for a great compact bottle that is going to keep your insulated coffee, tea, cold drinks, anything, this one from Thermos is a great one. So this was John with WTI, and that's my